Hi, welcome to Mobi Capture channel. Join me as I challenge myself to capture mind-blowing smartphone photos using a tripod. Let us see just how amazing we can make them. Using a tripod for smartphone photography can completely transform your game. It provides the stability you need to take sharp, clear photos, especially in low-light conditions or when you're using slower shutter speeds. This stability also gives you the freedom to be more creative with your shots, like trying out long exposures or capturing panoramic views. Smartphone photographers often face a range of challenges that can make it tough to get that perfect shot. One of the most common issues is dealing with shaky hands, which can lead to blurry photos, especially in low-light conditions. Then there is the problem of low light itself, which can make it hard to get a well-exposed image. And let's not forget about the limitations of our smartphone lenses, which can sometimes struggle with wide-angle shots or capturing enough detail. These challenges can be frustrating, but there's a simple solution that can help overcome them. There are so many types of tripods out there for smartphones, each with its own set of features. You can find many tripods that are perfect for travel, flexible tripods that can wrap around objects for unique angles, and even tripods with Bluetooth remote shutters for easier shooting. Some tripods are designed specifically for certain smartphone models, offering precise cutouts for the camera and flash. When choosing a tripod, think about what you'll be using it for most often, whether that's landscape photography, portrait photography, or something else. A good tripod can solve many of the problems smartphone photographers face. For one, it eliminates the issue of shaky hands, allowing you to take sharp photos even in low light. It also enables you to use slower shutter speeds, which can add a beautiful blur to moving subjects like water or clouds. Plus, with a tripod, you can take your time to compose your shot and experiment with different angles, which can lead to more creative and interesting photos. Let's look at a powerful example of how using a tripod can dramatically improve a photo. Imagine you're trying to capture a stunning cityscape at sunset without a tripod. Your photos might turn out blurry or underexposed, but with a tripod, you can set up your shot, adjust the exposure compensation, and take a crisp, well-exposed photo. The before and after comparisons are often jaw-dropping. The tripod helps you capture a level of detail and clarity that would be hard to achieve handheld. Using a tripod takes your smartphone photography to the next level by giving you more control over your shots and allowing you to capture images with greater clarity and creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, a tripod can help you achieve professional-looking results. I'd love to hear about your experiences with smartphone photography. Have you used a tripod to take your photos to the next level? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more photography tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some expert advice on getting the most out of your smartphone camera.